Why people fail. SAP certification and how to pass SAP certification is a significant investment of time and money. Understanding why candidates fail is the first step to making sure you do not. Here are the most common reasons for failure. Reason 1. Relying only on video courses. SAP exams test practical configuration knowledge. Watching videos does not replicate the experience of working in the system. Hands-on practice in a real or sandbox SAP environment is essential. Reason 2. Not studying the official topic areas. SAP publishes a detailed breakdown of what each exam covers and in what proportions. Many candidates ignore this document and study based on what they find interesting rather than what the exam actually tests. Reason 3. Underestimating scenario-based questions. SAP exams include complex scenarios that require you to apply your knowledge to realistic business situations. These cannot be answered by memorizing definitions. You need to understand the why behind every configuration option. Reason 4. Not practicing under exam conditions. The time pressure in SAP exams is real. Candidates who have never practiced completing questions under timed conditions often run out of time. Simulate the exam environment during your preparation. Reason 5. Attempting the exam too early. Sitting the exam before you are genuinely ready wastes money and damages confidence. Use mock test scores as your guide. When you consistently score above 75%, you are ready. Prepare thoroughly and you will pass.